This is my story, a figure collector and a reviewer. Welcome to my workstation where the magic happens. I really never stop editing.
外に出たいな
So let's have a date with 2B. Check out behind the scenes with Nier Automata 2B Kuji Prize A. Of course, this is his real username, Subway Eat Fresh. Would I be unboxing a Subway sandwich then? Of course not. But Subway Eat Fresh, my friend's name, and who wouldn't have a friend who loves 2B and wants to give me a 2B figure? Well, of course, in exchange for money. Well, you see, we have a lovely member who loves to help with the process of delivering figures to the studio. But he totally does nothing. One of the greatest joy in life as a figure reviewer is to look at other people's collections. I've mentioned him, Subway Eat Fresh. A really crazy Square Enix fan, never felt so much joy in not owning these figures. Just seeing makes me happy. And what's crazier is someone who buys out a Kuji poster. If you have bought the whole set of Prime 1 Nier Automata resin statue, you're just so high up there above us. Well, I'm crazy in my own way, but I'm just glad I got a Prize A figure and some plates. Don't worry, we are not having 2B for dinner. Remember, we are going on a date with 2B. Oh, I really love his Nier Kuji collection, so I pre-ordered the bust too. But I'll admit, it's all FOMO for that one. I really shouldn't have looked at other toys, but I did anyway, and another toy in the collection. The place looked really nice. I'll use the place to be immersed in Yora, but I have grand plans to paint 2B's hair red with ketchup. If the plates are this fine, I can call dining at home fine dining. Kuji boxes have become better in terms of quality. Look at the quality, you will even be surprised this is Kuji Prize. I really love how they created a diorama out of something that is never noticed in the game. This is a Nier diorama. I guess Nias hacked my brains to believe so. But being a figure reviewer, I got quickly attracted to the figure more than my food will ever attract me. But also because this figure is $40 US and surpasses a lot of price figures and expensive scale figures. This figure is so detailed, I just couldn't believe the boots are actually glowing. Virtuous contract. These things get more and more detailed. You can't even believe they included all the details on pod. But I'm sure by now you noticed I started by trying to make a short film, and I ended up reviewing figure. And so you know, the story continues.